Hey everybody, it's Jeff Stroud with Hurricane Strouds. I know typically I work on woodworking projects and that kind of stuff on this channel, but another one of my to-dos is getting this Duramax behind me, getting it right. And I've got a 1955 Ford over here. We'll probably start doing some more of that type stuff on the channel. And if it's not what you're looking for, I'm sorry. Price of wood's high as can be right now, and there's other projects that I need to get going with. I did order a HSP Y-bridge bundle kit. It came in the other day. I kind of already unpackaged it. It came wrapped in this type of styrofoam, but my wife got me this for Father's Day. I'd say it's pretty blue color. It's a two-piece design, and I know some of you guys thinking about going with WC Fab because of the one-piece design. They have now switched to a two-piece design, according to my buddy who just installed HSP on his Duramax. But yeah, it's nice and shiny. Really good. A couple welds I see look pretty decent. I know my buddies will probably watch this video, but his WC Fab, some of his kit, his air intake and all that kind of stuff, all WC Fab, some of the welds just didn't look like something that cost, I think he paid like $1,800 for his kit. And it just didn't look $1,800 quality. Just in the welds, I'm sure they'll hold fine, but this kit comes with your boots and all that. Comes with this heater hose pipe. Comes with this 20-mile-an-hour sticker, HSP. And I think that's all it comes with. That's the unboxing of my new HSP Y-bridge kit. Thanks for watching. The next thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and start taking off the EGR and all that good stuff and getting ready to put this on. Alright guys, this is my first test drive of everything being what I think is complete. I haven't heard anything pop off or anything like that. This is about a solid 24-hour job. I don't mean take a break and that kind of stuff. It is a solid 24-hour job, no matter how you break it down. HSP products are really good. Everything fit a lot better when I used their boots and got everything with the Y-bridge pipe pushed down. The air cleaner fit a little bit better. There was a little gap. All in all, I would suggest it. This definitely got more torque and more throttle response, and it whistles a little bit louder. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit like and subscribe. I've got some kryptonite products I'm going to throw on, and I want to get you guys' opinion on a big name company who I feel did me wrong. And no, it was not HSP, by the way.